Welcome back to the kitchen, home chefs. Are you tired of spending hours standing over a hot stove after a long day at work just to get a healthy dinner on the table? Today on Budget Buying, we are checking out the best electric pressure cooker to help you make mouth-watering meals in a fraction of the time. Let's get started. Taking a closer look at the Instant Pot Duo electric pressure cooker, it is easy to see why this handy machine is a must-have for modern kitchens. This versatile kitchen appliance is specifically designed to simplify your everyday cooking routine while consistently delivering high-quality results. By bringing several essential kitchen tools together into one single compact unit, it makes daily meal preparation much more convenient and efficient for busy families. This brilliant model truly shines by offering 7 core cooking functions in one machine. You can effortlessly use it for rapid pressure cooking, classic slow cooking, hot sautéing, healthy steaming, flawless rice making, homemade yogurt preparation, and it features a convenient keep warm mode. By giving you all these options, the Instant Pot Duo electric pressure cooker clears up valuable cabinet space. The digital front panel boasts 11 one-touch smart programs. Whether you want to make comforting winter soups, perfectly tender meats, or sweet desserts like cakes, you can handle a wide range of recipes with the simple press of a button. This allows anyone to cook delicious dinners with minimal effort. One of the absolute biggest reasons people love using this appliance is the incredible cooking speed. By utilizing trapped steam and high pressure, this machine can accurately prepare your favorite hot meals up to 70% faster than traditional slow cooking or oven baking methods. You can walk through the door, toss in your raw ingredients, and sit down to a fully cooked, tender roast in under an hour. When it comes to the physical size, this specific machine is designed with a practical 3-quart capacity. This footprint makes it perfectly suited for small households, individuals cooking for one, or even for preparing delicious side dishes while your main oven is full. Do not let that compact size fool you though. It delivers strong performance with 700 watts of robust cooking power. It operates standardly at 120 volts and 60 Hz, ensuring it plugs safely into standard home electrical outlets. Furthermore, it is fully UL and ULC listed, passing rigorous testing for outstanding safety and everyday reliability. The quality of the materials inside the Instant Pot Duo electric pressure cooker is just as impressive as the smart technology running it. The removable inner cooking pot is crafted from highly durable, food-grade stainless steel. It features a specialized tri-ply bottom design. This layered construction ensures even heat distribution across the entire surface of the pot. This is incredibly important because it allows you to achieve professional-style searing and sautéing right inside the pot before starting the main pressure cooking cycle. To add even more instant value, the package includes a heavy-duty stainless steel steamer rack. This handy accessory expands your cooking possibilities right out of the box, letting you steam delicate fish or fresh vegetables without them resting directly in the boiling liquid. After enjoying your fast and delicious meal, the absolute last thing you want to do is scrub messy pots in the sink. Thankfully, the everyday cleanup process is wonderfully simple. Both the cooking lid and the stainless steel inner pot are completely dishwasher safe. You can just pop them in your machine, significantly reducing your post-meal effort. Of course, when dealing with hot pressurized steam, safety is always a major focus. This appliance gives you total peace of mind with over 10 advanced built-in safety mechanisms. This array includes automatic overheat protection to prevent accidental burning, as well as a highly secure, easy seal locking lid. This intelligent design ensures that the pot will not open until the internal pressure has been safely released. Overall, this appliance combines lightning-fast speed, ultimate safety, and amazing versatility in a compact design suitable for any kitchen. Ready to take the stress out of your weeknight dinners and cook like a true professional? Check the price link in the description to grab yours today. Like and subscribe to Budget Buying for more incredible kitchen gadgets and daily appliance deals. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you in the next one.